Hello everyone. Yesterday we have already seen in what is the moments. Moments is the arithmetic mean of the various powers of the deviation of items from their assumed mean or actual mean. So what is the difference between actual mean and assumed mean? In case we are given in the five values 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So what is our actual mean? Actual mean, sum all these values. This is 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus 50. So 150 divided by 5. That means our actual mean is 30. So all the students, सभी का actual mean क्या आएगा 30. In case we are given in the number of term is 6. For example, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. So middle term is 30 and 40. So what is our assumed mean? 30 or 40? Both are correct. But in case we are given in the frequency, according to our frequency, the maximum frequency जो भी आपको given है उसके according जो भी 30 और 40 में से value होगी, so we consider 30 or 40. But in case 30 or 40 both are correct in our assumed mean. So let's start the moments. The rth moment about any arbitrary point are denoted by mu r dash is denoted by mu r dash is equal to summation x minus a whole raised to the power r divided by n, where r is equal to 1 to up to n. So here a is equal to assumed mean and x bar is equal to our actual mean. In according to our actual mean, the moments are mu1, mu2, mu_r. But according to our arbitrary point value or assumed mean, we write the mu_r dash. Got it? So the table is first four moments about actual mean is. So we write the mu1 is equal to summation x minus x bar divided by number of terms, small n, because of we are given in only the value of x. Got it? So our second moment about actual mean is what? Summation x minus x bar whole square divided by number of terms, and mu3 is equal to what? Summation x minus x bar whole cube divided by number of terms, small n, and mu4 is equal to summation x minus x bar whole raised to the power 4 divided by number of terms, small n. In case if frequencies are given, we are given in the x and f both, then our first moment about actual mean mu1 is equal to summation f bracket में x minus x bar, mu2 is equal to summation f x minus x bar whole square divided by capital N. Why we write the capital N? Because we are given in the frequency in our question. In case we are not given in the frequency, then in denominator we write only the number of terms. And if frequencies are given, then we write denominator is capital N, that means summation f. So the second moment about actual mean is summation f x minus x bar whole square divided by capital N. Mu3 is equal to summation f x minus x bar whole cube divided by capital N, and mu4 is equal to summation f x minus x bar whole to the power 4 divided by capital N, where summation f is equal to n. Got it? Next is first four moments about assumed mean or arbitrary value. Don't be confused if आप यदि इसको logically याद रखेंगे तो these formulas are very easy. So according to our assumed mean, mu1 dash, got it? Mu1 dash is equal to summation x minus a. A is our assumed mean and divided by number of terms, because we are not given in the frequency. Got it? Mu2 dash is equal to summation x minus a whole square divided by small n. Mu 3 dash is equal to summation x minus a whole cube divided by n, and mu 4 dash is equal to summation x minus a whole raised to the power 4 divided by small n. Again, if we are given in the frequency also, just see here actual mean and assumed mean. So mu1 dash is equal to summation f only multiply by f, summation f x minus a upon capital N. Why we write the capital N? Because we are given in the frequency in our question. Mu2 dash is equal to summation f x minus a whole square divided by capital N. Mu 3 dash is equal to summation f x minus a whole raised to the power 3 divided by capital N. Mu 4 dash is equal to summation f x minus a whole raised to the power 4 divided by capital N, where capital N is equal to summation f, that means sum of the frequency. In case if we are finding the 10th moments about the assumed mean. So, what is our formula? 10th moment about assumed mean. Yes, mu 10 dash is equal to summation f x minus a whole raised to the power 10 divided by capital N. In case we are not given in the frequency. So, our formula is what? Mu 10 dash is equal to summation x minus a whole raised to the power 10 divided by number of terms. Got it? See here suffix is 4, then the power is 4. Got it? So next is first 4 moments about origin. That means 0. 0, that means what? If actual mean or assumed mean is equal to 0. See here, we put x bar is equal to 0. Then what is our formula? Summation x upon n. Put x bar equal to 0. The formula is summation x square upon n. The x bar is equal to 0. The formula is summation x raised to the power 3 divided by n. And if x bar is equal to 0, our formula is summation x raised to the power 4 divided by n. So, see here v1. Why we write the v1? Because of mu1 according to our actual mean, mu dash according to our assumed mean, and v1, v2, v3, v4 according to our origin. So v1 is equal to summation x upon n, v2 is equal to summation x square upon n, v3 is equal to summation x to the power 3 upon n, and v4 is equal to summation x raised to the power 4 upon n. In case of the frequency distribution, V1 is equal to summation fx divided by capital N. V2 is equal to summation fx square divided by capital N. V3 is equal to summation fx cube divided by capital N. And V4 is equal to summation fx raised to the power 4 divided by capital N. So, this is the 3 types of moments about actual mean, assumed mean, and origin. So, there are some relation between the moments about the actual mean in terms of the moments about any arbitrary value. That means assumed mean. So, in our relation between the actual mean, moments about actual mean, and moments about arbitrary value or assumed mean. So here mu1, mu2, mu3, mu4 are our actual mean, and dash is our assumed mean. So mu1 is equal to, the formula is relation mu1 dash minus mu1 dash is equal to 0. Mu2 is equal to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash whole square. Mu3 is equal to mu3 dash minus 3 mu2 dash multiply mu1 dash plus 2 mu1 dash whole raised to the power 3, and mu4 is equal to mu 4 dash minus 4 mu 3 dash multiply mu 1 dash plus 6 mu 2 dash mu 1 dash whole square minus 3 mu 1 dash whole raised to the power 4. No doubt this equation is typical according to mu 4 is equal to why we use this relation. ये relation हम कहाँ use कर सकते हैं? In case if we are finding the actual mean and assumed mean both first four moments in any question, we are given in the value of x and f and find the first four moments about actual mean and assumed mean both. Then we make the table first four fx minus x bar, fx minus x bar whole square, fx minus x bar whole cube, and fx minus x bar whole raised to the power 4. Got it? According to our actual mean. And in case, again we are finding the according to our assumed mean. So, we make four columns more. Why? Because of we find the assumed mean and actual mean both. So, next four column is what? fx minus a whole square, fx minus a whole cube, and fx minus a whole raised to the power 4. That means what? 10 to 15 minutes आपका इसी में हो जाएगा time. So if हमें ये relations या मालूम है, so first we find the assumed mean. Got it? We find the assumed mean according to first four moments about assumed mean. So we get the values of mu1 dash, mu2 dash, mu3 dash and mu4 dash. ये four values आपको पहले से मालूम है according to our table. Then we put all these values in four equations. Got it? And we get the first four moments about our actual mean. So these relations are very important. No doubt here fourth equation, just you ignore it, but we find the mu1, mu2, mu3. So all first moment about 0 are the relation between first four moment about 0. V1 is equal to a plus mu1 dash is equal to x bar. X bar is equal to mean. V2 is equal to mu2 plus V1 square. V1 that means first moment about 0 or about origin. V3 is equal to mu3 plus 3 V1 V2 minus 2 V1 whole cube, and V4 is equal to U4 plus U V1 V3 minus 6 V1 square V2 plus 3 V1 4. This is the number of 4. Got it? So, the summary of how moments help in analyzing a frequency distribution. So, these four steps are very important according to your MCQ examination. Moments and what is measured. So, in case of first moment about origin is equal to what? Mean. See here, we have already seen in our previous we give v1 is equal to a plus mu1 dash is equal to x bar. X bar is equal to what? Mean. The second moment about the mean is variance. The third moment about the mean is skewness. And fourth moment about the mean is kurtosis. See here, and keep in mind, first moment about origin mean, second moment about the mean variance, third moment about the mean skewness, and fourth moment about the mean is kurtosis. So, what is the skewness? Skewness is a measure of degree of asymmetric of the frequency distribution. That means the coefficient of skewness based on the third moment. See here, the third moment about the mean is skewness. So, coefficient of skewness based on the third moment denoted by gamma and is defined as gamma 1 is equal to root beta 1, where beta 1 is equal to mu 3. mu3 what? Third moment about actual mean. Exactly. Mu3 whole square divided by mu2 whole cube. And next one is kurtosis. What is the kurtosis? Kurtosis is measure of convexity of a frequency curve is known as kurtosis. And the formula of kurtosis is beta 2 is equal to mu4. What is mu4? Mu4 is the fourth moment about actual mean divided by mu2 whole square. Sometimes we are given in only beta 1 and beta 2. Find the value of beta 1 and beta 2. So don't be confused. Beta 1 is skewness and beta 2 is kurtosis. So here, the first example, find the first four moment about actual mean and find beta 1 and beta 2. What is beta 1 and beta 2? Beta 1 is skewness and beta 2 is kurtosis. So, about actual mean, in case we are not specified in any mean, actual or assumed or origin. So, by default, we consider the actual mean. Got it? So we are given in the values of x 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The total number of term is 9. And we are given in the frequency 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 20, 15, 10 and 5. So according to actual mean, we find the first four moments. So, first, keep in mind what is the formula of the first moment, second moment, third moment, and fourth moment according to our actual mean. So, first, we find the x bar. Got it? We find the x bar. What is the formula of the x bar? X bar is equal to summation x divided by number of terms. Got it? So, you find the x bar. After that, we map the table. So, first column is x minus x bar. Because of we find the first moment, we get the values of x minus x bar. Second one is f x minus x bar whole square. Third one is f x minus x bar whole cube. Fourth one is f x minus x bar whole raised to the power 4. In case if any confusion for according to solve this problem, so first you make the first four columns only x minus x bar whole square, x minus x bar whole cube and x minus x bar whole raised to the power 4. After that you make first four column by fx minus x bar, fx minus x bar whole square, fx minus x bar whole cube and fx minus x bar whole raised to the power 4. Got it? So here summation f is equal to 125, the sum of the all the frequency. Summation f x minus x bar is equal to 0. Summation f x minus x bar whole square is equal to 500. Summation f x minus x bar whole cube is equal to 0 if f x minus x bar is equal to 0. So, according to our actual mean, all odd terms are 0. So, summation f x minus x bar whole cube equal to 0 and summation f x minus x bar whole raised to the power 4 is equal to 4700. You try it and check all the values are correct or not. So, first moment about actual mean, mu1 is equal to summation f x minus x bar divided by capital N is equal to 0 because of the numerator is 0. The second moment mu2 is summation f x minus x bar whole square is equal to 500 divided by capital N. What is the capital N? Capital N is equal to summation f is equal to 125. So 500 divided by 125 is equal to 4. The third moment is already 0 according to this value. Okay. So mu4 is equal to what? Summation f x minus x bar whole raised to the power 4 is equal to 4700. So we write 4700 divided by a sum of frequency capital N divided by 125. So we get 37.6. So we get all first four moments about actual mean, and next we find the beta 1 and beta 2. So what is the formula of the beta 1? Beta 1 is equal to mu 3 whole square divided by mu 2 whole cube. So mu 3 whole square, that means 0 divided by, so we get the value of 0. Beta 2 is equal to mu 4 divided by mu 2 whole square. So we put all these values and we get our answer is 2.35. So this is the example of first four moment about actual mean. Got it? Okay. I will continue this topic in our next session.